So I found the little thing I had made, right?
Oh yeah.
The little blue, that was like this spiral type of thing and these little wheels. So
Mhm.
when you swiped it across the gym equipment, it was meant to basically dispense the fluid and squeegee across the top. But and then we discussed, I think you mentioned potentially adding like a little side scooper to also just run it over the handlebar of the dumbbells.
Mhm.
And the little brush would clean it, and it could have like a dispensing wheel there too. But yeah, I feel like that already exists at some like level.
Yeah. Maybe it would be something as simple as like buy find a squeegee that would work for this application, like just a quick handheld, simple, basic squeegee. Right? You go on Alibaba and you buy 1,000 of them for 3 cents each or whatever,
Mhm.
and then you get a bottle, the same thing, just a generic bottle. You put a label on it,
Mhm.
wrap them with a label, print on them, and just make say that they are for this is what these are for. Really, you just took any
Swipe
old
private
squeegee in a
label.
spray bottle and you give them instructions, say fill this thing with a disinfectant, and then
Mhm.
you spray your bench and squeegee it off. You didn't invent anything. You just labeled them. You just bought a whole bunch of them, put your own label on them. So
Make them like disposable too, so that they can't open the chamber, so they have to like just throw them away and buy a new one each time.
yeah. Or you could just make them super cheap. I mean, if you throw them up on some kind of on Amazon or some kind of site, and you sell them for $10 each.
Yeah,
For $10 each or $5 each, it's not like you sell the squeegee and spray bottle combo. And
yeah, I can see they have some pretty nice ones. You
oh
know,
yeah,
and those are already like $12. That red one is like $6.
yeah,
But it would just need to be packaged in a way. Um, I mean, they even have these with the built-in towel already, like a felt towel.
oh okay,
So
yeah, I see what you mean. Okay, so it has like the spray bottle and built-in like towel, squeegee, everything's right, just like
mhm.
that.
Yeah.
So if you took those, find and just buy a bunch of those, put a label on it that says like some kind of label that looks like gym equipment, or is that what that's for? Is it made for gym
No,
equipment or
they're
is it
just window
generic?
cleaners, toilet cleaners,
Yeah.
glass
Okay.
cleaners. Um,
Get that and work with somebody who can print out a label, kind of like I'm just either printing directly on it or like what you'd see on any kind of a spray bottle. They're just like soda bottle, maybe 20-ounce soda bottle, kind of
yeah,
the wrapper.
because see, all I would want, I would want to flip it. Because let's say this is the squeegee and then this is the handle. This is like if especially if you're using it for the gym, this is a fracture point. But if I can make the bottle horizontal, I mean yeah, parallel with the squeegee. So you have the button here and you could just like squeeze it and then just run it through.
Mhm.
It's a lot more compact. I can have the tube basically just almost like that same hand sanitizer tube that I had before. See if I can find it real quick. I
Yeah.
just tossed it down. But yeah, it's almost like we just went circular motion, but in circles. But it's like almost like if I had this with the squeegee attached to it, and this could either be here or it could be here, and I just run it through.
Mhm.
So I mean, if I could even contact this company here and figure out a way to have them attach a squeegee to their bottles and package private label this package as like a so I can actually get the squeegee and do like just a 3D print to wrap around this bottle as like a clip.
It could just be a clip. You buy the two things separately and you just clip them together. Have the
I
have
do
the spray
private.
bottle company make sure they label it with for you, which is easy. It's totally easy. Like that's what there's thousands of companies out there doing specifically that.
Yeah,
Oh
I'm
yeah, okay. So and you're saying just keep the spray bottle like that. So you spray it first and then you flip it and then squeegee it off.
well, yeah, I mean, you don't even,
Yeah.
it'll be like a system in itself, you just, because that way it's a very modular, like the squeegee will literally just, like have clips,
Yeah.
you know, because I mean, I don't even want to deal with doing any slots or any modifications, you know, that
No.
we have the molds.
Yeah.
Literally, I would put like a nice low profile, some kind of silver aluminum cap
Hmm.
here, and then just clip on the squeegee if I want to start getting, you know. But yeah, I mean, I could just literally press the side and then just squeegee it off and then go market it to all the gyms in that form
Yeah.
without having to do any design or anything. I mean, I'm like 1,000% sure that I could probably private label this online somewhere.
Absolutely. Yeah. Totally think you could.
It's not like $1 billion, $1 million idea, but I mean, that in itself, yeah, I mean, I could see that working.
Yeah. And pretty, as far as effort going into it, it's not that much, right? Well, there's, of course, there is a lot overall, but like with any product, but to get it made, it's already designed for you. Kind of a lot of it is.
Yeah. Yeah, because I could see myself going into every gym and just be like, hey, look, we came up with these. You can
Yeah.
have an attached magnet that pops onto your machine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna mess with this idea. I was about to drop it, but you got a good point.
Try to make it more simple and cheap. Like, because that thing right there, right, how much does that bottle right there cost? Like a couple bucks. Yeah. So like you could see that's the thing is if you sell them in a package, sell them in a crate, like you sell a box of 100 of these things to a gym or 500 of them or something.
Mm-hmm.
You sell them in quantities like that. That's how you move product. You move them in big boxes. Don't just sell one at a time. You could, of course, you could sell them one at a time online or something, but sell big boxes of them.
Even then, fulfilled by Amazon will
yeah
up. I'm just curious on the patenting of it, you know, because it's not real. No one's really using it for this, and no one's really thought about it. I mean, I could literally just clip that thing on. You know, I might have to spend some money on tooling.
I do think you should do the magnet thing too.
Yeah, and stick on I mean, it's like a glue magnet, you know, and then I'll provide my own cleaner. I can probably, you know, private label that too.
Mm-hmm.
We will see. I'm going to do some more research on this, but that was a pretty good plan.